Hi, this is Lakshmi. We are going to see about how we are going to check by using a two checkboxes widget. For this, I am going to I have another program swapping of two numbers in previously recorded. For this, I am going to add two checkboxes. Whenever I am going to check first checkbox, it should enable first edit box, and whenever I will select the second one, it's going to check the second one. For this I have to do like checkbox 1. I have selected checkbox and placing here checkbox 1 and another one checkbox 2. Here in the text field, in the text I am going to assign like checkbox 1 for this, checkbox 1 and checkbox 2 and ID as checkbox 1, and the first by default I am going to do for this edit box like and enable is false, enabled equal to false, and for the first text also the same thing I am going to do, Android enabled equal to false. Okay, this is how I am going to do. And for this on click, for this checkbox I have to write an on click. I have already written here on click listener program. For this, for the checkbox 1 I'm going to retrieve the data from this ID by through its ID ch1. I have given checkbox find view by ID, and for that checkbox I have written a on click listener here. And for this edit text box, whenever for the first edit text box, if I check this checkbox 1, it should enable this edit text 1 first text 1. Then for the second checkbox 2 also I have written the same thing, like I should edit this second one. For this, if you want to see, I am going to run this in my phone. I have connected my phone to this. Then now it's how it's going to run, we will see in my phone. Okay, this is how it has built up. Now it has been built up. Gradle is building here. If you see here in my phone, so here if I if I click on checkbox 1, see it's number 1, it's this has been enabled. Now I can enter some number here. Otherwise I can't. If I enable disable this, if I disable this, I can't enter any number here. And if I checkbox 2 is enabled, is checked, and number 2 is like number 2 is enabled. If I enabled both the numbers, and now I am going to do swapping. See here the number has been swapped here. This is how, if I that's the use of checkbox, like whenever we check it, like it's going to enable or disable. This is the one of the property of this checkbox. This is for today, that how it's going to swap it and how the checkbox has been done. We have seen it. Thank you.